Some of the most beautiful indoor plants actually hate direct sunlight. Most people place their houseplants near bright windows and still watch them struggle, fade, and die. But here's the secret professional plant lovers already know. Certain indoor plants grow better in darker rooms, shady corners, and low-light apartments. These plants are perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, offices, hallways, and tiny apartments where sunlight barely reaches. Even if your home feels too dark for gardening, these incredible plants can still thrive and completely transform your space into a green indoor jungle. And the best part? Many of these plants are nearly impossible to kill. Today we're revealing 9 stunning indoor plants that thrive without sunlight, including one plant so tough it can survive weeks of neglect. If you're tired of watching your plants die, this video could completely change the way you grow indoor plants forever. Number 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is one of the toughest indoor plants on Earth. And honestly, it almost feels impossible to kill. If you've ever struggled to keep plants alive, this could be the perfect plant for you. Snake plants naturally tolerate low light because they evolved to survive in harsh environments. Unlike delicate tropical plants that demand constant attention, this plant thrives on neglect. In fact, many people accidentally kill snake plants by caring too much for them. Its tall, sword-like leaves instantly make any room look modern and stylish. Whether you place it in a bedroom, office, hallway, or bathroom, it adds a clean architectural look that fits almost any decor style. One of the biggest reasons people love snake plants is their ability to survive with minimal sunlight. Even rooms with only artificial lighting can support healthy growth. While brighter indirect light helps it grow faster, it can easily survive in darker spaces for years. Another reason this plant is so popular is because it needs very little water. The thick leaves store moisture like a succulent, allowing the plant to go weeks without watering. Overwatering is actually the biggest danger. Most owners only need to water every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the season. Snake plants are also known for helping improve indoor air quality, making them a favorite for bedrooms and workspaces. Some people even call them set-it-and-forget-it plants because they need so little maintenance. If you want an indoor plant that looks expensive, survives neglect, and thrives without sunlight, the snake plant is one of the best choices you can make. Number 2. Z plant. Plant has become one of the most popular indoor plants in the world for one simple reason. It survives almost anywhere. Seriously, this plant is unbelievably resilient. Dark room? No problem. Forget to water it for weeks? Still fine. Artificial office lighting all day? The ZZ plant barely notices. Its glossy, deep green leaves almost look fake because they stay shiny and healthy with very little effort. Many first-time plant owners think it's plastic when they first see it. That naturally polished appearance gives homes and offices a clean, luxurious vibe. The secret behind the ZZ plant's survival power is hidden underground. It stores water inside thick potato-like rhizomes beneath the soil. These underground storage systems allow the plant to survive drought conditions for long periods. That means less stress for busy plant owners. Unlike many tropical plants, the ZZ plant actually prefers indirect or low lighting conditions. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, while shaded spaces help maintain its rich green color. This makes it perfect for apartments with limited windows or darker indoor rooms. One of the best things about this plant is how forgiving it is. Miss a watering? It's okay. Forget about it during vacation? Still okay. It quietly continues growing without demanding attention. Because it grows slowly, it also keeps its shape beautifully over time. You won't constantly need to trim or manage it. Its sleek, upright stems create a modern look that works perfectly in minimalist homes. If you want a plant that practically takes care of itself while thriving without sunlight, the ZZ plant might be one of the smartest indoor plant choices you'll ever make. Pothos. The pothos is often called the ultimate beginner houseplant, and once you see how easily it grows, you'll understand why. This beautiful trailing plant can survive in conditions where many other plants struggle. Low light, tiny apartment, artificial lighting, Pothos still keeps growing. One of the most attractive things about Pothos is its long, flowing vines. These vines can trail down shelves, hang from baskets, climb walls, or spread across furniture. instantly creating that relaxing indoor jungle look people love on social media. The leaves come in stunning varieties too. Some have golden patterns, others have marble-like white streaks, while neon varieties glow bright green indoors. Even with minimal sunlight, the plant stays vibrant and attractive. Pothos is also incredibly forgiving. Forget to water it occasionally, and it usually bounces back quickly. The leaves may droop slightly when thirsty, but after watering, the plant often looks healthy again within hours. One reason Pothos thrives in low light is because it naturally adapts to shaded tropical forest environments. Indoors, it easily tolerates dim corners and fluorescent lighting, making it ideal for offices and apartments. Another amazing feature is propagation. You can cut a small vine segment, place it in water, and watch roots begin growing within days. This means one Pothos plant can eventually turn into many plants for your entire home. Its fast growth also makes plant owners feel successful quickly. Even beginners can watch noticeable progress within weeks. If you want a beautiful, fast-growing indoor plant that survives low light and instantly makes your home feel greener, Pothos is one of the easiest and most rewarding plants you can own. Number 4. Peace Lily the Fool. Peace lily proves that even flowering plants can survive in low-light conditions. Most people assume flowers require tons of sunlight, but peace lilies are different. Their dark, glossy leaves thrive in shade, and under the right indoor conditions, they can still produce elegant white blooms that look absolutely stunning. This plant instantly creates a calm and peaceful atmosphere indoors. Its rich green foliage combined with graceful white flowers gives homes a fresh, luxurious appearance without demanding constant care. One of the most interesting things about peace lilies is how dramatically they communicate thirst. When they need water, the leaves droop heavily and look completely exhausted. But once watered, the plant often stands upright again within hours. It's like watching the plant come back to life. Peace. Lilies naturally grow on forest floors where sunlight is filtered through large trees above them. That's why they adapt so well to indoor environments with limited light. Direct sunlight can actually burn the leaves, making low-light conditions safer for them. These plants also enjoy humidity, making bathrooms and kitchens excellent locations. If your home has dry air, occasional misting can help keep the leaves healthy and shiny. Another reason people love peace lilies is their elegant appearance. Even when not flowering, the lush green foliage alone looks beautiful in modern homes. While brighter indirect light may encourage more flowers, the plant itself can continue thriving even in darker rooms. That flexibility makes it perfect for people who want beauty without complicated plant care routines. If you're looking for a low-light indoor plant that combines elegance, greenery, and beautiful blooms, the peace lily is an incredible choice. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant earned its legendary name for a reason. This plant is almost impossible to kill. Seriously, if there were an award for the toughest indoor plant on Earth, the cast iron plant would probably win. This plant survives conditions that would destroy most houseplants. Low light? No problem. Dry air? Fine. Missed watering? It barely cares. Temperature changes, dusty corners, neglect, the cast iron plant keeps going like nothing happened. That incredible toughness makes it one of the best indoor plants for beginners or busy people who don't have time for high-maintenance plant care. It's deep green. Leaves grow upright and create a rich tropical look indoors. The foliage is simple but elegant, making it perfect for modern homes, offices, hallways, and shaded rooms where other plants struggle to survive. One of the reasons this plant thrives without sunlight is because it naturally evolved under dense forest canopies, where very little light reaches the ground. That means dim apartments and dark indoor spaces feel completely normal to this plant. Unlike delicate plants that constantly demand attention, the cast iron plant prefers to be left alone. Overwatering is often more dangerous than underwatering. Most owners only need to water when the soil becomes dry. Another major advantage is its slow growth. Because it grows gradually, it keeps its shape beautifully and rarely becomes messy or overgrown. If you want a dependable indoor plant that survives almost anything while still looking elegant and healthy, the cast iron plant is one of the smartest choices you can bring into your home. Number 6. Chinese evergreen. The Chinese evergreen is one of the most underrated indoor plants for low-light homes, and honestly, it deserves way more attention. This plant is stunning. Its leaves come in beautiful shades of green, silver, pink, cream, and even red depending on the variety. Some types almost look hand-painted because of their incredible patterns and colors. But here's the shocking part. Despite looking delicate and exotic, Chinese evergreens are surprisingly easy to care for. These plants thrive in low-light environments where many colorful plants fail. In fact, they are commonly used in offices, shopping malls, and hotels because they handle artificial lighting extremely well. Chinese evergreens naturally grow in tropical forests where sunlight is filtered through dense trees above them. That's why they adapt so well to indoor conditions with limited natural light. One reason people love this plant is its ability to instantly brighten a room without needing flowers. The foliage itself becomes the decoration. Even dark corners suddenly feel more alive and welcoming. These plants prefer moderate watering and warm indoor temperatures. They don't like soggy soil, so allowing the top layer to dry slightly between watering works best. Another huge advantage is their slow to moderate growth. They maintain a neat, compact appearance without becoming overwhelming or difficult to manage. Some varieties are especially dramatic with pink and red tones that make them look almost unreal indoors. They can easily become the centerpiece of a room, even in shaded conditions. If you want a low-light indoor plant with gorgeous, colorful leaves and easy maintenance, the Chinese evergreen is one of the best choices available today. Number 7. Parlor palm. The parlor palm brings instant tropical vibes into your home without needing bright sunlight or complicated care routines. This elegant palm has been a favorite indoor plant for generations because it adapts beautifully to indoor environments. Even homes with limited sunlight can successfully grow this graceful plant. Its soft, feathery fronds create a calm, relaxing atmosphere that instantly makes rooms feel warmer and more inviting. Many people use parlor palms to create that luxury hotel or spa-like feeling. Indoors, one of the biggest reasons this plant thrives without sunlight is because it naturally grows beneath taller trees in tropical forests. That means it evolved to survive with filtered indirect light rather than harsh direct sun. In fact, too much sunlight can actually damage the leaves, causing yellowing or scorch marks. Lower light conditions often keep the foliage healthier and greener. Parlor palms are also relatively slow growers, which makes them easy to maintain indoors. You won't constantly need to prune or repot them. Their manageable growth habit makes them ideal for apartments and smaller spaces. Another reason beginners love this plant is because it's fairly forgiving. While it enjoys consistent moisture, it can tolerate occasional mist watering better than many tropical plants. This palm also pairs beautifully with almost any interior style. Whether your home is minimalist, bohemian, or traditional, the parlor palm blends in naturally. Its gentle movement and soft texture add life to indoor spaces without overwhelming the room. If you want an elegant tropical plant that survives low light and instantly upgrades your home decor, the parlor palm is a fantastic choice. Number 8. Spider plant. The spider plant is one of the easiest and most rewarding indoor plants you can grow, especially if you're new to houseplants. This plant is famous for its long, arching leaves and its ability to produce baby plants everywhere. Those little hanging plantlets make spider plants look lively, playful, and full of energy indoors. One of the biggest reasons spider plants remain so popular is because they adapt extremely well to different indoor conditions. Bright light, low light, artificial lighting, they tolerate almost everything surprisingly well. Although they grow fastest in bright indirect light, spider plants can still thrive in darker rooms where many other plants struggle. That flexibility makes them perfect for apartments, offices, and shaded indoor spaces. Another reason people love spider plants is how fast they grow. Even beginners can see noticeable progress quickly, which makes plant care feel exciting and rewarding. Spider plants are also incredibly forgiving with watering. If you occasionally forget to water them, they usually recover without major problems. Their thick roots store moisture, helping them survive dry periods. One of the most fun features is propagation. The baby spiderets hanging from the mother plant can easily be replanted into new pots. That means one healthy spider plant can eventually turn into multiple plants throughout your home. Their striped green and white leaves also brighten rooms beautifully without needing flowers. Hanging baskets especially make them look dramatic and full indoors. If you want a cheerful, fast-growing indoor plant that tolerates low light and produces endless baby plants, the spider plant is an amazing option. Number 9. Philodendron. The philodendron is one of the most classic indoor plants in the world. And for good reason. It's beautiful, adaptable, and incredibly easy to grow. This plant is loved for its soft, heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines that instantly create a cozy indoor jungle feeling. Whether hanging from shelves or climbing upward, philodendrons bring warmth and life into any room. One reason philodendrons thrive without sunlight is because they naturally grow under dense tropical canopies where direct sunlight rarely reaches them. That makes low-light indoor environments feel natural to these plants. Unlike many demanding houseplants, philodendrons are extremely forgiving. They tolerate occasional neglect, inconsistent watering, and lower light better than most tropical plants. Their vines can grow surprisingly long indoors, creating dramatic greenery that transforms dull spaces into relaxing plant-filled environments. Another reason beginners love philodendrons is because they clearly communicate their needs. If the leaves begin drooping slightly, it usually means the plant is thirsty. After watering, they often perk back up quickly. Philodendrons also grow steadily without becoming too difficult to manage. You can trim the vines easily to control shape and encourage fuller growth. These plants work beautifully in bedrooms, offices, bathrooms, and living rooms because they adapt well to indoor temperatures and average humidity levels. Many plant lovers also enjoy propagating philodendrons because stem cuttings root very easily in water. If you want a lush trailing indoor plant that survives low light and creates a calm tropical atmosphere with minimal effort, philodendrons are one of the best indoor plants you can grow. So there you have it. 9 incredible indoor plants that can thrive without sunlight and completely transform your indoor space. The best part is that you don't need a giant house, huge windows, or expert gardening skills to grow beautiful plants successfully. Many of these plants actually prefer lower light conditions and survive better indoors than in harsh direct sun. Whether you choose the nearly indestructible snake plant, the glossy ZZ plant, the fast-growing Pothos, or the elegant peace lily, each one can bring life, color, and calm energy into your home with surprisingly little effort. Remember, successful indoor gardening isn't about perfection. It's about choosing the right plants for your environment. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more indoor plant secrets, care tips, and easy gardening ideas that actually work. And before you go, tell us in the comments which low-light plant is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.